Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our kitchen where we cook up some amazing recipes and dish out the latest cooking tips. Today, we've got some eye-opening information about oils you should never, I repeat, never heat up. So grab a seat and let's get started. We all know that oils play a crucial role in our cooking adventures, but did you know that some oils can turn into culinary disasters when exposed to high heat? Let's dive into the top 6 oils that should never be heated. Trust me, you'll thank us later. Extra virgin olive oil. First on our list is the beloved extra virgin olive oil. Now, don't get us wrong. This oil is fantastic for drizzling on salads or dipping bread, but heating it can cause it to lose its rich, delicate flavor and turn bitter. Save this liquid gold for low heat or room temperature dishes to enjoy its full goodness. Flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids and has amazing health benefits. However, when you heat it, those precious nutrients can break down, leaving you with a not-so-nutritious dish. Stick to using flaxseed oil in dressings and smoothies to get the most out of it. Sesame oil. The rich aroma of sesame oil. It's a staple in Asian cuisine, but be cautious about using it as a cooking oil. Heating sesame oil can cause it to smoke and develop a burnt taste, ruining the delicate nutty flavor it's known for. Instead, add it as a finishing touch to your stir-fries or noodles for that extra oomph. Avocado oil. Avocado oil, with its high smoke point, might seem like a great option for cooking, but it's better reserved for other uses. When heated excessively, avocado oil can lose its nutritional benefits, so it's best to use it in dressings, marinades, or simply drizzle it over your favorite dishes. Walnut oil. Walnut oil is like a hidden gem in the culinary world, imparting a lovely nutty flavor to your dishes. However, heating it can cause that delicate nuttiness to vanish, leaving you with a bitter taste. To preserve its goodness, use walnut oil in cold dishes or as a finishing touch for roasted vegetables. Pumpkin seed oil. Last but not least, pumpkin seed oil. This vibrant oil is full of antioxidants and nutrients, but it's quite heat sensitive. Heating it up will make those nutrients go poof. So, let's savor the unique flavor of pumpkin seed oil by using it in salad dressings and drizzled over soups. And there you have it, folks. 6 oils that should never be heated. Remember, using the right oil for the right job will elevate your cooking game to a whole new level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your food-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic culinary tips. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy cooking!